My name is Larissa, and today I'll be telling you guys a little bit about the psychoanalytic theory. The psychoanalytic theory was developed by Sigmund Freud. It argues that personality is formed through conflicts among three fundamental structures of the human mind: the id, the ego, and the superego. Criticisms relating to Freud revolve around his observations, or lack thereof, really. Most of his writings on his observations included few actual observations or lack of evidential support pertaining to his theories. Freud was inconsistent in documenting relevant observations, which has called his theories to be questioned by some. Using psychoanalytic theory, Freud believed that people could be cured by making their unconscious thoughts and motivations conscious, thus gaining insight. The aim of psychoanalytic theory is to release suppressed emotions and experiences as in the unconscious conscious. There are a few different techniques in psychoanalytic theory. The first of these is transference. Transference is the client's unconscious shifting feelings and fantasies to the counselor that are reactions to significant others from the client's past. This allows clients to understand and resolve any unfinished business from past relationships. Free association is another technique that uses spontaneous word associations. The counselor will state a word, and the client will respond with what first comes to mind in association with that word. The counselor then looks for and interprets any patterns in the client's responses in order to explore the meaning of these patterns. The counselor and client then come together and explore these patterns together. Another technique used by counselors is called the blank screen approach. In this approach, counselors engage in very little self-disclosure and maintain a sense of neutrality. This enables them to foster a transference relationship with the client in which the client will make projections onto them. The relationship between the counselor and the client is vital to the healing process. Eventually, patients become more comfortable and less resistant to facing their issues and are able to understand their own motives and behaviors. This is when healing truly begins. And finally, one essential thing a counselor in training should know about this theory is that it is a long-term process, and it involves dredging up the past in order to see how it affects a client in the future.